Welcome back to Moto Craze, where we bring you the latest and greatest in two-wheel innovation. Today, we're diving into an exciting new launch, the 2025 Zontes 703F, a motorcycle that's already turning heads and setting expectations sky high. This glassy yellow beast is not just about style, it's about pushing the limits of what a midweight sport tourer can offer. Let's kick off with its stunning design. The 703F brings a bold, aggressive stance with sharp lines, an aerodynamic fairing, and LED lighting that gives it a futuristic look. The front fascia is particularly eye-catching with its split headlights and wide handlebar, offering not just style, but also better control. From every angle, front, side, or rear, the bike screams performance and premium build quality. The glassy yellow paint finish isn't just vibrant, it reflects light beautifully in different conditions, especially when showcased under a modern showroom setting. Under the skin, the Zontes 703F is powered by a 699cc parallel twin engine that delivers a punchy yet refined performance. While the official top speed hasn't been disclosed yet, early tests suggest it can reach upwards of 180 km/h, making it suitable for both city commuting and long-distance cruising. It's mated to a smooth 6-speed gearbox with slipper clutch, allowing effortless gear transitions even under hard riding. When it comes to features, the 2025 model doesn't hold back. You get a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity, keyless ignition, adjustable windscreen, ride-by-wire throttle, and multiple ride modes. Zontes has also included premium components like blue disc brakes with ABS, upside-down front forks, and a mono-shock rear suspension, all tuned for comfort and precision. The ergonomics are rider-friendly, with a comfortable seat height and upright riding posture, ideal for both urban navigation and weekend touring. The underbelly exhaust design adds to the sleek profile, while still producing a throaty exhaust note that enthusiasts will love. Now for the part everyone's waiting for, the price. The 2025 Zontes 703F is expected to launch at around $7,500 to $8,000 USD, placing it aggressively against rivals in the segment. For that price, you're getting a bike that blends performance, design, and high-end features into one extremely attractive package. So, is the Zontes 703F worth it? For riders seeking an affordable sport touring motorcycle with premium vibes and futuristic appeal, absolutely. Stay tuned and hit that subscribe button, because Moto Craze will be among the first to bring you a ride test when it hits the road.